What if you can ask YouTube how your channel is performing or why it is not performing well? Well, now you welcome to Grow on YouTube with Joy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a feature that YouTube just added known as Ask Studio. I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of this feature to know more about your channel. I'm going to show you where it is located on your YouTube studio and how you can make use of it to grow your channel or to increase your views and subscribers. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log on to YouTube dashboard. You can actually do this through your Google Chrome, but this is a shortcut. So you click on Continue to Studio. So this is my channel dashboard. So if you look up here, after your display picture, going towards your left hand side, you see Create. Then you see a bell icon. Then you see something that looks like a star. After it is a question mark. So we are interested in that star. That star is the Ask Studio. So if you click on it, it says Ask Studio. It says, hello, grow on YouTube with Joy. Ask something. So you can use this to find out about your channel, how it is doing. It says, how can Ask Studio help me? Summarize content, comments, suggest new video ideas, summarize my channel performance, more suggestions. So if you do not know, you can just ask that question. How can Ask Studio? How can Ask Studio? You just type it in. How can Ask Studio help me? So now is reviewing your request. After reviewing your request, so this is what he has said as your AI creative partner. So Ask Studio is an AI creative partner. It says, as your AI creative partner right here in YouTube Studio, I'm here to help manage and grow on YouTube with GJoy tips and strategy. Think of me as a data analyst, strategist, and creative collaborator, all rolled into one. Here are a few ways I can support you. Performance insight. I can analyze your channel data to tell you which videos are resonating most, explain changes in your views, or help you understand your audience retention patterns. Creative brainstorming. If you are feeling stuck, I can help generate fresh video ideas or refine your existing concept to make them more clickable. Title and thumbnail strategy. I can provide feedback on your titles and thumbnails or suggest new ones designed to improve your click-through rate. So these are all the things. These are all about what he can do. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'm not going to read through all. By the time you do yours, you are going to see everything. So let me ask another question. How is my channel performing? Once you type in something, it's reviewing the request. So you just be patient. Okay, so let's see what it has. It says, in the last 28 days, Grow on YouTube with GJoy tips and strategy has seen a dip because I've not been posting for a long time in overall reach. But there is bright spot on how deeply your viewers are engaging with your content. High level performance. My views for the last 28 days, 25. Watch time 16.8 minutes. Impression 485. Average view duration. So key takeaway and insight. Viewers are staying longer even though overall views are down. Your average view duration has increased by 18%. This is a great sign. It means that when people find your videos, they find the content more valuable and are watching for longer than they were in the previous period. Can you see? Thumbnail some success. Your video, how to create thumbnail with Canva app on your phone, is a standout performer with 10.81% click-through rate. This is significantly higher than your channel average of 1.65%. You see, before it was 1.65, but since I did that, it has improved to 10.8, suggesting that this specific thumbnail style or topic is really hitting the mark with your audience. Recent top performance, you see. So it just tells you what you need to do, and then gives you advice, and so on. And then you can ask anything. Okay, you can actually ask anything. So let me ask the last question for today. Let me ask, what kind of videos do my audience like? What kind of videos do my audience like? It says, based on your lifetime performance and recent viewer activities, your audience is clearly coming to Grow on YouTube with Joy for practical step-by-step guidance. They appreciate content that solves specific technical hurdles they face as creators. High value tutorial content. Your most successful videos are those that provide clear solution to common YouTube setup questions. For example, how to collab on YouTube. You see, how to add cards on YouTube to get more views are among your performing uploads. This suggests your audience values over the shoulder style content where they can follow along. Okay, so my viewers, they like videos that solve problems, that the title also starts with how to. The interest in growth and efficiency. There is a strong interest in growth hacks and optimization videos, like easy ways to get views and subscribers without uploading new videos. Okay, that one sparked meaningful communication discussion. Viewers are specifically engaging with your tips on how to sustain a channel and manage subscription effectively. Okay, so it's a mobile first creator tips. Your recent success with how to create thumbnail with Canva app on your phone, which had a standout 10.8 CTR, indicates that a significant portion of your audience likely manage their channel primarily from their mobile device. They are looking for ways to maintain high quality using accessible mobile tools. Direct and supportive community. So your viewers often leave short positive notes of appreciation, showing they see you as a supportive mentor. They are also active in sharing their own milestone and looking for a small YouTuber community to grow with. Actionable tips. Since your collab and cards tutorials perform so well, you might consider a series on YouTube Studio Mobile Secret. This will combine your audience interest in technical tutorials with your preference for mobile friendly workflow. Would you like to brainstorm some specific titles for a mobile focused tutorial series? So as you can see, that is how to use Art Studio. It saves you a lot of time from going to start checking insights and to start going through your YouTube Studio by yourself to understand what your how your channel is performing or how your viewers are seeing your channel. And many times when we see figures, we may not even understand what they mean. But with this Art Studio, you can just ask this, you can just type in your question, and within minutes it just give you a summary of your channel. It just tell you what you need to know, the areas you need to improve on, and so on and so forth. Once you start using App Studio, it becomes easy to create content that your viewers like. For me, my viewers love content that solve problem, especially those one that starts with how to. You can see from what I just showed you now. So those are the content that I am going to be creating. If you found these tutorials helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please share to others so that they too can learn about this new YouTube feature. And also subscribe to Grow on YouTube with Joy for more growth strategies like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.